If your Windows 11 PC feels slow or laggy, then this video will definitely help you clear all cache safely and speed up your system without installing any software. So the very first step here is to delete the updates cache. So when you update your Windows, or if computer tries to update the Windows, it creates a lot of junk, and we need to clear Windows update cache. And this will also help you if updates are slow or stuck, and it will also free up the space. So the first thing, we will open the File Explorer, or you can simply search in the search icon and type file, and you will find File Explorer. Then we will go to C drive, and here we will go to Windows right there, and then we will go for software distribution. So here is the software distribution, and then we will go to download, and whatever you have here, just press Ctrl A and Shift Delete. These are the files are not at all required by you, and these are all used updated files which is no longer required. So if any of the files are remaining, that's fine, but you can delete all these. Now the next thing is to clear the temp cache, and there are two locations of the temp cache. So those are temporary cache and most important part. So click on the search icon and type run, and then open it, and you will see a window like this. Here we will type temp, and then we will click on OK. Now this is a clean computer, it doesn't have much junk. However, in your computer you might have huge. So I'll select all and I'll press Shift Delete. Some of the file may not get deleted, that is fine. You can do this for all current items, and you can skip it. Once this is done, again we will click on the run window, search window, and we will open the run, and here we will type %temp%. Now this is another location of temporary files, and here we will select all and we will Shift Delete. And few files are not getting deleted, absolutely fine, we will skip it. Now once you are done with this, then we will move to the disk cleanup, the classic method. And disk cleanup removes hidden junk files safely in your computer. So I'll do a right click in the start icon, I'll go to run, and I'll type clean mgr. You can also search disk clean disk, and you will find disk cleanup. That's the easiest method. Now once the disk cleanup is open, select the C drive where the OS is installed, and then we will click on OK. Now here you can select thumbnails, DirectX. If you have something in recycle bin, you can delete that, select that, and temporary files, thumbnails, and then you just need to see this is a clean computer, only has 50 MB because I have done it in the morning. So I'll click on OK, and this will clean the junk and cache from the computer to make your PC faster and free up the space and boost your gaming experience as well, boost FPS as well. Now once this is done, then we are going to clear cache via settings in a modern way. So that's a different method. I will go to settings, I'll click on start, and then I'll go to settings, and then we will go to system, then storage, and here once you click on that, wait for a while. The computer is scanning, the storage sense is working, and it will give you the cleanup recommendation, and you will also find the temporary files. So just wait for a while, let it scan. It is not stuck, it is working for you. And make sure you turn on the automatic free up space storage sense. It will I'll just click on that, I'll show you. So automatic user content cleanup, when you turn on, then it will, based on your frequency, it will clean up the junk. So I have selected every week, and it will clean all cache, all the junk, all the temporary files for me. Okay, so I have got the cleanup recommendation. You can click on that, and if you have anything in downloads and you do not want that, you can select it. All right, and you can see advanced options as well, and from here as well you can check mark whatever you want to delete and just remove the files. So this is a very good practice. You can come on this storage place, so storage sense, and look for the large files, the installed updates, so that will be better. Now once this is done, we are going for the next, which is flushing the internet cache. We are going to clear the DNS. This fix slow internet and loading issues. So we will click on the search, we will type CMD, and we will run as administrator. I'll say yes, and here we will type ipconfig space / flush DNS. I'll maximize it so that you can type it, and I will also mention this in my description so that you can copy it and paste it right there. Once you have typed it, I'll hit enter, and it says successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So you have cleaned it in a greater manner. And now the final one is also very important, and that is to disable the startup junk. This improves the boot time instantly, and it will also make your PC faster. So I'll just do a right click, I'll go to task manager. So you need to do the right click in the start button, or you can simply search for the task manager, and then we will go to startup apps, and I'll maximize it so that you can look closely. Now click on the status so that you can get the sorted view of disabled and enabled programs, and you can see very few apps are at the startup, and rest of the apps I have disabled it. So you can check also, if you do not use any app, you can at least disable it from the startup. You can always open it later and use it. So make sure you do not disable the security, audio, Wi-Fi. Just if you do not know anything about it, you can simply search for that. You can do a right click and you can search online. So let's say if you do not know about the Bing wallpaper, you can select, do a right click and search online. So once you do that, restart the computer and see the drastic change in your PC. And I'm sure after doing all these steps, Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC will feel faster, smoother. And if this tutorial is helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.